Hey guys, I'm back again with another Dior unboxing because I can't help the Dior holiday packaging and the goodies that comes with it. There will be two unboxings you will see in this video. I will first unbox the holiday gift set, followed by the order that I made 2 weeks earlier. Without further ado, let's go ahead with the unboxing. So the gift set I ordered is actually called Makeup Prep Set. There should be 3 items, but I guess they don't have a stock for the Red Bloom tinted lip balm, so that's why you only see these 2 items. So they just deducted it out of my total, so I only have the primer and as well as the nail care. It's called Cream Abricot, or it means abricot means orange in French, I believe. So it is very, very creamy and it has a scent to it. So this is the complimentary gifts I received for this order, and this particular promo code just automatically auto-populated together with my order. Then I just went ahead and selected other freebies I wanted to add. Here I am showing you how much this pouch can fit. With this order, I also received the gold welcome gift. Inside this box are 4 J'adore flankers. We have the J'adore Eau de Parfum, J'adore Eau de Parfum Infinissime, J'adore Parfum Doux, and J'adore Eau de Toilette. And I believe there's actually 5 now. That's why I placed this one here. It's J'adore Lourd. The perfumes inside the box is actually the same size as the one you will receive in some of the freebies or complimentary gifts, and that is the reason why I placed these samples here, so you can kind of tell the size. So if I open this door right here, it's pretty much the same as this one right here. So guys, for the welcome gold gift, I actually had to manually claim it, although it says on their website that once you are eligible to redeem a gift, you simply log in and the gift will be automatically added to your cart. But in my case, I did not see that it automatically added, so I had to manually add them to my cart. So guys, one of the things we like from Dior, aside from the products, is their complimentary gifts. I want to talk about the pouches in particular because they are very useful for organizing our stuff. So as you can see here, I have laid out 4 of the pouches I currently have from Dior. As you can see, this is the latest pouches I received from them. So when I saw these online, I was so super obsessed about them because I really love the red. And I was hoping that the material would be the same as the blue pouch. So let's pull this pouch right here. As you can see, the blue pouch is in velvet. This type of fabric is a jersey. This jersey fabrics, they're stretchy. It looks nice on camera, but they don't feel as luxurious, for me anyway, as a velvet. As you can see here, there's only one zipper pull, while the velvet or the blue one has 2. I think it's just very convenient to have 2. I don't know, I prefer it. And this hardware is kind of also light, so I wanted to share with you guys so that if you want to select the freebies, you can decide which one you like. So okay, let me grab this white pouch here. This is also in velvet, and I do like that the teeth is gold. However, this is not embroidered. It's just stamp. And white also gets easily dirty. So as you can see, both of these are in red, but they are slightly different in color. The materials are the same. It's jersey. The jersey is not that expensive, and it's a stretchy fabric. And velvets are more expensive fabric. That's why I prefer velvet. They feel more luxurious. However, I have to say, the advantage with the jersey, it's easy to wash. The notebook is also worth mentioning as a holiday giveaway because they are a work of art in itself. And as you know, Dior actually sells them on their website. If you just go click onto their website under home, you will find numerous designs of notebooks and under different prices and sizes. It is also worth mentioning that they package their products very well. As you can see in my first unboxing, that is not the typical box that you will receive at Dior. Usually it is a small box. It's actually very difficult to open. It comes in a very sturdy box, and I'm happy that it came well packaged, because as you know, we want to keep those holiday packaging because they are not only like a work of art, they're very good for storage. That's all for today, guys, and happy holiday shopping. Bye for now.